when police pursuits almost turned fatal.
Stay right here, stay right here.
Stay where you're at, man.
Just hang tight, buddy. You're all right.
In the chaos of high-speed chases, danger is always just a heartbeat away. These officers faced near-fatal encounters, where one wrong move could have cost them everything. Case number 1. Filmed in Arden Hills, Minnesota, on March 18, 2021. This chase took a shocking turn, ending with suspect Oscar De La Cruz slamming into a Ramsey County deputy's SUV at over 100 miles per hour. Officers had to cut through the driver's side airbag to reach the injured deputy, who suffered multiple injuries, including fractures and severe bruising. Disoriented from the crash, he couldn't recall driving at the time.
Where? Jesus Christ. Check this guy here. Okay, let me check this car. Hold on. Help me get this car open. We'll be with you, buddy. Hang on, buddy. Hang on. I don't know. All right, hang tight, buddy. Hang tight. You all right, man? You all right? Okay, we'll get you, man. We'll get you. Hold on, hold on. Hang tight, buddy. Hang tight. Watch, keep an eye on the side. Help me out here. Help me out here.
Hey.
All right, buddy. He's got a little cut there. We got you. Let's. Yeah, get that cut.
Oh, watch your hand, man. Watch your hand.
Watch your hand, Dallas.
Hey, brother. You stay right where you're at, brother. What's going on, man?
You're all right, buddy.
All right? Help me.
Hang on, Dallas. Hang tight. Dallas, hang tight.
Just pulling up right now. Just hang out where you're at. Hang out. Hang out. Stay where you're at.
Dallas, stay right here. Stay right here.
Stay where you're at, man.
Just hang tight, buddy. You're all right.
Just stay where you're at. They're pulling up right now, okay? Where are you hurting at? Your knees? Okay.
All right, hang tight, Dallas.
Anywhere else other than your knees, man? Okay.
The impact occurred around 9:45 p.m. on March 18th on Highway 96 in Arden Hills, with the squad car catching fire just after the deputy was safely pulled out.
Shit, all right, get up.
What's that?
Get up, get up. That big fire.
Yeah, we got fire in the squad here. Fire in the squad. Okay, hang tight, Dallas.
We're just going to pull you back. Okay?
We got you, buddy.
Can you get your legs out?
I got you. I got you. I got your vest. I got your vest.
Let's pull it back.
Yep. All right, hang tight.
I know, man. I know. I'm
All
sorry.
right, hang tight. Where are you hurting, buddy? Where are you hurting, pal? Dallas, it's Steve. What's going on?
I know.
We got you. You're good.
No, too hard.
Okay, where are you hurting, man?
My knee.
Your knee?
We're good.
All right, just keep your knees. Just keep your knees. Just keep it steady.
De La Cruz at the time had an active warrant and a revoked driver's license, adding to his record of convictions for vehicle theft, assault, and fleeing police. De La Cruz now faces charges of criminal vehicular operation, causing harm to an officer, vehicle theft, and fleeing the police. Remarkably, he only sustained minor injuries and was taken to the hospital. Case number 2. Filmed in Houston, Texas on September 1st, 2021. Our second suspect remains unidentified. After running over a police officer, the injured cop had to be airlifted to the hospital via life flight and was listed in critical condition. Unfortunately, details remain scarce. Our second suspect remains unknown. Unfortunately, further details about the case are still unavailable. Case number 3, filmed in Kings County, California on May 14th, 2021. As for suspect number 3, his identity may be unknown, but in this case, it won't matter. You'll see why. In the final case, an officer pursuing an unidentified suspect made a small but costly mistake, landing in a drainage ditch.
2018, subject is in the stop sign at 23rd Avenue and Nevada Avenue. Speeds are about 4 down to 80. Light traffic.
17, I'm down. I need help. I need help. You guys come help me. Yeah, I'm good, man. Help me out.
Hey! If you could start emailing my location, officer involved accident, vehicle rolling over in the canal, 2017 report. He's bleeding. Hey, you good, bro?
I'm good, bro. I put it on. Got my seatbelt on, though.
Hey, come on. Hey, Dr. Crash! Hey, Dr. Crash, bro! Yeah. One of our units. Come on, bud.
Sorry, man.
Hey, you're good, dude.
Oh, we have him. Let's go. Let's go get it.
Got it?
Yeah, I'm good.
With that, we wrap up 3 intense stories of near tragedy in the line of duty. If this got your adrenaline pumping, hit subscribe for more viral body cam stories.